Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now in today's video, I'm so excited because I get to share with you guys some accessories that I've really been loving as of late. This video is not sponsored. All of these glasses, sunglasses that I'm about to show you were bought by my own coin. Okay, so yeah, I've been into accessories lately, like the chains, necklaces, and earrings and bracelets. I've really been into them and feeling them, but I decided to amp up my accessories by purchasing some glasses and sunglasses from this company called Quay, Australia. I know you guys have heard about this company, but you know, I'm kind of late, and I was like, you know what, I don't really have like sunglasses. I was just feeling like I needed to get some, so that's what I did. All right, so that's what I'm sharing with you guys today. So it's the holiday season, it's Christmas season. If you're looking for a gift to get somebody, I would highly recommend these sunglasses because they're bomb. All right, so the first one that I want to show you guys is I think this is from the Desi Perkins collection, and it's the OTL2. I don't know what OTL stands for. On the low? What does OTL stand for? It just says OTL2. Yeah, it stands for on the low. Okay, I'm reading on the website right now. And as I mentioned, this is part of the Desi Perkins collection, and it comes in a clear case like this, which I really think is cute. And I also like that it comes with its own cloth to clean it, because I do hear that these scratch up pretty easily. Yeah, these are bomb. I haven't worn these out. I got 2 separate orders. I saw in total today I'm going to show you 4, but I restrained from wearing these because I wanted to get all of them at the same time and come on here and share with you guys first before I actually started wearing them. Okay, so again, this is the OTL2, and just a black pair of oversized glasses. And I love the shape and the size of these glasses because, just in case you can't tell, I do have a nice size forehead, a nice size head, and my face is kind of long. Okay, so usually I find that oversized glasses aren't oversized enough. All right, so when I saw these, I was like, these look like they would fit. So let me try these on now, just to show. Yes, honey. Yes. As soon as I put these on, it's like, yes, what? Ooh. This the type of vibe this gives. Like, what? What was you saying? No, not today. Not today, boo-boo, not today. And like I said, it's usually hard for me to find oversized frames that are big enough for my, you know what I'm saying, head, forehead, but yo, these are alright. What? Before you came round, my heart would never be much fun. I love these, yeah. These are the type of glasses, even if it's not sunny outside, I'm rocking these. Yep, I am. Like, this gives me instant divas. As soon as I put it on, I transformed. It was just like, wow, who am I? Who are you, Waldia? And they're not uncomfortable. I don't see them sliding down. Well, I haven't worn them out yet, so whether they slide down or not, we'll see. And I can see through them fine. It's not too dark where I can't see, but this is a look. With this blazer, it's everything. Everything. Now for these next glasses, I decided to try their blue light glasses, and they're just oversized aviator glasses, and these frames are called Still Standing. Okay, and I got them in the gold frame. On the website, it's just basically says that keep your eyes in the clear with our blue light lenses, featuring technology to assist with blocking potentially harmful blue HEV lights from screens to help prevent headaches, yeah, and blurry vision and other symptoms of like digital eye strain. Yeah, I do work in the office, so I do find that, you know, once I'm staring at the computer for too long, my eyesight gets kind of blurry. So I saw these cute pair aviator glasses. So not only are they cute, but they also help, you know, with your eyes if you're staring at a screen for the whole day. I just thought these were so cute. Again, these are called Still Standing. Yeah, this is so cute, especially paired with these earrings. I like the gold frame. And it just says Quay right here, the name of the brand, okay? I love these. I would definitely wear this with like a denim outfit. I wouldn't wear this with this blazer and this outfit. These are big enough to fit my head. Again, I have a nice size forehead and head, and I have a long face. So as mentioned earlier, a lot of glasses are not big enough. The oversized glasses anyway are not big enough to be oversized on me, but I find that Quay Australia glasses, from what I'm seeing so far, are big enough for my head type, okay? And I can wear these to the office. You know how sometimes you just don't feel like doing much to your face, and you're like, all right, let me just throw on a pair of glasses just to zhuzh it up a little bit. Yeah, these are those. So this is pair number 2. I actually really like these, yes.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster.
Now these next pair of glasses are just, I think, my favorite out of the 4 that I purchased, and this is also from the Desi Perkins collection. Everyone and their mama has talked about these glasses and these shades, and these are the high key sunglasses. It comes with this clear case, which I really appreciate, and it comes with a special cloth so that you can clean off. And I do hear again that these glasses do get easily scratched. All right, so that's a con. It hasn't happened to me yet, but I do hear that about these glasses. But anyway, these are oversized. Wow. This right here is not to be played with. Now these glasses, I feel like it's not for the shy. If you want to make a statement, a bold statement, these are the shades for you. All right, again, these are the high key. These are sick. Like, wow. Gold, these are gold. I decided to try the gold ones, the gold frames. Y'all, first off, if I had faux fur, I do, but I don't feel like getting up right now. But I would wear like a faux fur jacket with this and just, what? These are so badass, like, whoa. Color is bomb, everything is bomb. It's not too dark where I can't see. Like high key, I'm obsessed, all right? Literally. Just gives me like, you know what I'm saying? Like music video vibe. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And just keep in mind with these, people can see, like you guys can see the ring light because of the reflection. All right. So if that bothers you, then you won't like these. But me, these are everything. I think I'm going to get every color. This is gold. I want the black ones. I want the rose gold. Yeah, I just want all of them. And again, if you don't feel like wearing makeup, if you're looking crazy, your eyes, you ain't get enough sleep, throw these bad boys on. No one gonna know. Nobody gonna know. They're gonna be like, ooh, you didn't come to play. And you're gonna be like, no, I didn't. Yeah. High key. Y'all wanna get me, you know, the rest of the colors? Yeah, do that. That would be awesome. High key obsessed. Okay, and the final pair that I purchased from the Quay Australia website is these cute square framed glasses called Hardwire, and this also has that blue light technology in it to help with your vision if you're staring at a screen for the whole day, just to protect your eyes. And also on the website it says that you can take this to your eye doctor if you have prescription. If you wear prescription glasses, you can have them put the prescription in these glasses, which I think is so convenient. Instantly I feel like a teacher. I love these. Like, I feel like a teacher, like I'm a professor somewhere. Call me Professor Dia or Professor Bynes, however you want to call me. I think these are so cute. These are not oversized. I think they're supposed to fit just right, and these do feel and look like they fit just right. I don't see any sliding as of yet. You guys know I wear makeup, so I wonder if these will slide down and it'll get, you know, I'm pretty sure I will get some like oils and stuff, whatever, but that can be cleaned off, right? I get hot Professor Bynes vibes from these glasses.
Before you came round, I was ready to slow down.
I really like these. Yes. Alright guys, and that's it. This is my glasses and sunglasses collection for now. Okay, as I add on to it in the future, I will definitely keep you posted. Again, I absolutely love these glasses from Quay Australia. Check out their website. I will leave the link in my description box. Quality of the frames seem to be very durable, and they always have sales on the website. So look out for the sales, like buy one get one free with 30% off or whatever sales that they may have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Also, let me know know which pair was your favorite and which one you would rock. Yeah, this was fun, y'all. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I have some more content coming out to you guys. Let me know what you like, what you want me to do. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.
I felt like I